Okay, and hello and welcome my friend. And next I am planning to show you that how you can test your car, truck or SUV's AC, this air condition system status. And if you have situation that you think that your AC system is not working proper way, do this easy test. And this is really easy test to test any car and any device. And this first test and this basic test what tells to us that what is our air compression system, air condition systems, this status is that we have to test that do we have this special AC compression gas inside this system. And for that purpose we have to look in here these air condition systems lines. They are normally alloy pipe, and in this my current car, what is Ford car, I can see that they are a little bit hidden, but in here we can see one this gas adding position in here, and we can look that what is this. And normally when we see interesting cap hat, there is 6 Newton meters, it normally means that this is this testing and gas adding valve and nozzle. And here is also information that compressor oil and AC refrigerant pressure gas air 134 is this gas, and there is this information label in here that this is this gas in here, but this is really our target, and there is small valve inside and we need to next press that. And let's go to look that area closer in here. Okay, and there is really this valve, and now when we have more space we can see that this small sharp head, this nail in there is this our target, and we have to press this inner part soon that we can see this inner part in here. We press soon in small screwdriver, and this test purpose is to tell to us that if there sprays a lot of this fluid this yellow or green liquid, then we can see that this is full, this our system is full. But if there is only small weak air, then we can right away think that this our air condition system is not full, it is like empty. There is no this gas, what is the most important thing in our AC condition system. And let's do the test. It is easy, and we need really flathead screwdriver, and I press that in here, and soon I press just in this way in down carefully, and be carefully because there soon can flies this AC gas, and it is poison, it is harmful to us, and that's we have to use now protective mask. There is this my mask, it looks like that, and this is mask what protects, and I install this device in that way. And let's look at how I test that next. Okay, and really this test is normally good to do in outside, because this gas R134, it is harmful to us and it is not good to our health, and it is good that we do that test in outside where is fresh air. And now I really install this my tool in here, and then I install this my protective mask in that way, that it protects us to sprays. This my hand is like spray. Soon there can fly a lot of gas in here, and that's when I install that firstly in here. No any press yet, but soon little bit down, and we can hear this sound. Now we can see. Okay. Okay, and if you have that kind of situation, like I have, this means that my system is empty. Look. Because if this is full, there flies liquid in outside. Look. Okay, and now I can see that this my air condition system's issue is that this my system is empty. There is no this special gas in these hoses and lines in here, and this is this defect area. Okay, and what I need to do next? I need to go in the service station who have this special gas, and then we install in here about half kilos or 1 pound in this gas in inside. So easy. And after that, this my system it will work better.